Hi, what's up YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to be doing a quick little review on this awesome Gusher guard. If you want to check out this awesome product, I'll leave a link down in the description below for you so you can check it out for the best price. But this Gusher guard is awesome. I'm actually going to be putting it right over here on the right side of this house in this problematic area from there to there. Because basically, right off of that slope, water just flows over like a waterfall. I actually will show you a video clip of that here in a second. It comes all the way down, beats up onto the ledge of that window, and it pulls up over here really bad. These Gusher guards are an awesome solution to any kind of gutter overflow. They're made by Amerimax. I highly recommend them. You get 3 in one order. They're made out of metal. This one in particular is a white finish. You can get it in other finishes as well. Just check out the links down in the description below for that. And the only downside to this setup is it does not come with any kind of rivets or gutter screws. I was lucky to have a few gutter screws laying around, and I just need 2 to do this particular install. And as you can see here, there's a little lip which goes on the outside of your gutter, and then there's pre-drilled holes on the bottom on each side. So before you actually mount this, it's recommended that you use a really good caulking. So I'm actually going to be using this stuff right here, which is a really nice sealant. It can stretch, and it's waterproof and crack proof. So I'm actually going to be applying a nice thin bead of caulk on the bottom, and then smush it down, wipe off all the excess, and then secure it with these gutter screws. I'll turn it around onto the back here, and you can pause the video at any moment in time so you can read all the instructions. And the nice thing, like I said before, is you have so many options. So as you can see here, this illustration here is awesome because you can see how you can actually use one and fold it and keep 2 individual ones for a total of 3 pieces to create this kind of setup here. So like I said before, you can keep it straight just like that, or you can bend it to create a nice little 90-degree angle for a kick out or for a corner guard. All right, so I'm up here on my ladder, and before I even permanently mount this thing, I dry fit it, and then I put in the holes where I want it to be at with a drill bit. And the awesome thing about this material is you can actually conform it. So as you can see here, I have a bump right here. So I actually had to bend this thing just slightly, just so that I can have it contour properly over it once I put the caulking underneath. So once I put the caulking underneath here, I'm going to be able to securely put this right over here so it's nice and flush. Just match it up to the holes. All right, so here's what it looks like. Again, you have 3 inches of coverage from top to bottom, 9 inches long ways. All right, the Gusher guard is all done. Took about 10 minutes. All I had to do is get some caulking, put it underneath here, and then put the gutter screws on top. As you can see here, it's nice and protected so that whenever water comes down off the roof really, really fast, it comes over here to this kick out that I made right here out of flashing. It'll hit this guard here instead of flying over and coming down onto the ground. But other than that, I'm really happy with the setup. It's really easy to install, and you have a lot of flexibility with being able to bend this thing and contour it over bumps. And again, you can also bend it at a 90-degree angle to create a kick out or a corner guard. Well, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And as always, thank you all for watching.